What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the new project bike that I picked up. It is a 1995 ZX-7R. Basically, I'm going to tell you what we know about this bike and what we're going to do to try to fix it, because currently right now it does not run. So we're trying to get it fixed up, get it at least running. So let me just tell you what we know about it. So thing number one, obviously it doesn't start. So we checked for fuel, we're getting fuel. Check for spark, we're getting spark. And the weird thing about this is when I first started it up, it would turn over. When it started kind of like dying out, it would go whoop, whoop, whoop. And then all of a sudden the starter stopped working. So I was like, all right, maybe we got a bad starter. So I traced all the wiring. I was like, all right, we got good battery connections. Traced everything to the starter. I was like, all right, well, maybe we got a bad starter. Well, out of curiosity, I bench tested the starter and it spins right up when supplying power to it. So I'm like, all right, so it's not the starter. So then if you go further down the electrical wiring here, there's this guy right in the middle. It's called a starter regulator. And there's a little fuse in there. I checked the fuse. The fuse is good. And I'm getting power from the battery to here, but I'm not getting power out of here. So it leads me to believe that this is the reason our starter's not working. That little regulator is what's causing our bike not to start. So got that ordered up, and then I also got the little bracket for the rear step that we broke here. So we're going to be putting those on today while this guy's obnoxiously cutting up his pool in the backyard. So let's get these parts on and see if it starts up for us. Alrighty, guys, so this guy is cutting up his pool or something, so I'm just going to talk real loud. So I got everything, I got the new part put in, and now when we put the start button, we actually get our starter. So we're going to turn the choke on here, and we're going to see if we can get this thing to start. Alright. We're going to try a few tricks here. First trick we're going to try is, I learned from my buddy Lee. So we're going to try to prime each carburetor. And a trick to do that is to put your hand over the carburetors. There we go. Oh. Well, I'm an idiot. I'm missing a spark plug. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's try this again. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Oh, okay. Alright. I got it running. Alrighty, guys, so that's going to basically do it for this video. We got the ZX-7R running, and all it took was a $8 part that was bad. And now it's running. So that's super awesome. Right now I'm just letting the battery charge because the battery died. I haven't gotten to idle it by itself because I was adjusting the idle screw, and by the time I got it adjusted where it needed to be, the battery died. But we know it starts, or at least it'll start up, you know, before it wasn't doing nothing. So I consider this a win for $8. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And should I keep this thing? Should I get rid of it? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.